Welcome to the Introduction to PSA, an ERP solution designed with contractors in mind. Let's take a look at how our software can help your business with the critical things it needs to succeed. Now, there are a number of different challenges that plague contractors across their entire business. This industry is one that expects a large amount of documentation and information to be collected over the course of a single job. Contractors struggle with ways to properly organize and manage this documentation throughout the claims process. In addition to this, challenges arise trying to streamline communication efforts with customers, carriers, and other contractors to ensure delivery of an overall positive customer experience. This also affects the transparency between departments and delays reaction time, creating difficulty trying to keep up with accuracy on job costs and identify revenue in order to maximize job profitability. The result is that contractors are forced to juggle multiple systems in order to manage a single job from start to finish. Each solution that gets added to the overall picture increases administration and creates a lack of visibility, accountability, and decision-making. PSA provides a series of core applications that manage everything from your sales and marketing efforts, directly integrated into our job management solution and customer portal to provide real-time updates to customers and contractors, assisting in streamlining the overall claims process. This also syncs bidirectionally with the finance and accounting side to connect all of this into one complete package with predictive reporting and powerful data analytics. PSA provides a 100% web-based solution that allows staff both in the office and out in the field to easily capture and access information instantaneously. Our job management system allows for capturing of attachments such as photos, videos, and documents, while also allowing for things like e-signing, and provides better opportunities to organize all of these into segregated subfolders. Our communication package provides the ability to integrate emails and SMS messages to eliminate duplication and provide detailed log notes that will give better visibility on what happened throughout the claim lifecycle. Our tools also have the ability to capture real-time job costing for things such as labor through our time cards, materials and equipment through our inventory, and even track subtrade expenses and overhead through our work orders, allowing your team to better position themselves and understand true profitability. Each of our applications comes with what we call a mobile companion, allowing direct access to information while out in the field 24/7. These mobile apps are supported by both iOS and Android-based devices and allow even the collection of information offline while being able to sync back in real time to the office once connected. Our products and services are catered specifically to the restoration industry, and our customer feedback is driven from frontline users to enhance the overall development process, putting the power of information and decision-making back into the hands of the people doing the work. Our products are designed with contractors in mind, providing full capabilities for call center, CRM, and integrated job management and customer portal, tying directly into accounting and finance to truly eliminate duplication and streamline the workflow process from start to finish. For more information on PSA, please contact us directly at 877-712-2626 or via email sales@canamsys.com. You can also check us out online or through social media to get updates on software launches, upcoming webinars, or details on new products and services that are always coming out. We look forward to speaking with you again soon so that we can showcase to your team the true power of PSA.